Look. Hi. Nakadalawang dapa.
How are you now?
Good. I got a unicorn.
And nakadalawang dapa nga eh. Sa pagdala ka.
Can I get my sunglasses?
So excited.
It's vacation. You're so ugly.
Who's that?
You look so ugly.
No.
You look ugly here.
Okay, one more. Space Needle.
Space Needle.
Good? You like
Are you
it?
vlogging?
Yeah.
After when I do that, I'm gonna go in California, the Disney Studios, and the others
See you guys there. Where are we? We're taking the bus to Lyft.
Hi.
I'm tired. Yeah. We're just waiting there at zone 30 for our lift in 15 minutes.
Hollywood Sunday for a lot of traffic, especially on the area that is Hollywood,
Oh, okay.
Highland Park.
Are you excited? Yeah. Okay. Why? Are you excited on our new stay? We're gonna stay here.
For 7 days.
Yeah, well, for 6.
Tubig.
Mommy.
Hey, we're going to down the streets to Dunkin' Donuts. Longanisa. Here. Pork, longanisa. What do you smell? It's called.
Are they all dead?
Yes, of course.
Why are they? Are we gonna cook these?
Yeah, so now they're ready for cooking.
So that's why we can eat it. So it's edible.
Yeah, yeah. So you just have to cook it. Look at the parrot fish.
What happened to me? So we are in Seafood City.
In Los Angeles.
Yeah, and we can call it California if we want. So I've actually found this.
What?
Yan na ba?
Di pa.
Mag-export na muna siya.
Wow.
I miss
Thank you. Oh, yeah, thank you.
That's Lola Yoli's cousin.
You know Lola Yodi?
Yeah.
That's Lola Yoli's cousin.
Philippines? Hindi pa siya pumunta dito.
Ay, hindi pa po eh.
That's not your bag.
This is yours. And that's it, you're done.
Ay, nahanap niya yung ano,
Mm.
yung plastic niya. Rati daddy mo.
Yes, akin. I have
Ano
it.
plastic?
Check it, gusto mo.
Chef, sunta lang dito. 500.
Sa labas. Sorry, ito ang tinamot ato ay ano.
Kasi kami.
Hello. Kamusta?
Kaya pagkasinundan niyo pa yan.
Sana nga.
Ganun na nangyayari eh. Kami, dalawang babae anak namin, at isang lalaki.
Oo.
Oh. Sila naman, tatlong magkakapatid, dalawang babae, isang lalaki. Diba? Oh.
Nice. Nice.
Hi!
Where are we?
Where are you?
And the chicken wing talaga.
Ay, hinahan ko na po. You gotta try it, Ice. You gotta try it.
Ay, ayaw vlog.
Hot, it's hot, it's hot. You need to blow it. You need to blow it.
You have to blow it.
Blow it.
Blow it.
Hot. You need to blow it.
Darling! Ba!
Sa tayo'y nagkasama.
Sila excited ka ng diba na? Kumakit ka rin na ganyan. Ganon? Akala ko kasi boy. Kaya sabi ko, hindi siguro. No kiss, no licking. You haven't taken a bath yet.
Lalaro sila eh. Why are you smiling, huh?
God, I'm so excited. This is the fastest train on the West Coast. It's so fast.
Wow.
Ang gusto ko ng baboy. Di ba? Busog pa ako.
Wow. Huh? What do you want?
Sabon pa.
Why always like that? Okay. All right. We're on top of the bus tour. You okay? What's your step? Okay, at the front. Did you hear them say? Hi. At Beverly Hills City Hall, Civic Center, in the streets of Beverly. City Hall. Ang bakla yan? Ay, may Beverly Hills sign. We are at the North Beverly Drive, and next street is yung Rodeo Drive. Yeah, nice. Right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Dito mga food sa kabila, yung mga shops. So inainitan lang yan eh. 2 hours free parking. Yeah, diretso lang. And then Rodeo Drive is on the other side.
Like, yeah. Even there's a Canada and plus because they're friends.
Talaga. We're at Beverly Hills. Yeah. Palabas na tayo, then balik na. Hindi, itong way na yan. Ito lang yung palabas na.
Hi.
Hi. Louis Vuitton. It's Gucci. Gucci, Prada. So, yeah.
I know when you doubt. Wala na. I know.
Ayun lang. Civic Center. Wow, Beverly Hills.
Where are we going?
You gotta go up. So we go. Paikot lang pala to. Teka. Paikot lang. So dadaan talaga tayo pag ganun. Yeah.
Siguro mag-hike yan.
Yeah. Hi, say hi. Yeah, let's go this way. Kiss me.
Hey, I've got a camera, car keys, cell
Is it
phone,
the popcorn?
Yeah.
any takers?
So we are going to like
The swirl.
Yeah, this.
I think I'm getting dizzy now. Yeah! Woo!
Whoa! Walk it, baby.
Yeah! You like it?
Yes.
Oh, kiss me. You love me?
Yeah.
Why? Because we're here. I love you.
I love you.
Kiss.
Mwah.
Ah.
Can we go higher now?
We're in the Krusty Land. The Simpson Krusty Land. Hey, are you excited? Yeah. You excited? Daddy is not. Because I'm afraid of that. Yay!
Moody. Crazy name, fun fact.
Where are we going? Jurassic World. Yeah! Are you excited?
Yes.
Excited? Yeah? Ah! Shit.
Explosion of life.
Hi!
Hi, don't get your
That's the Mosasaurus. Apex predator.
No, no. We're gonna get some water splash. No, 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 no. Watch your head. Hi. Woohoo. Dinosaur. Yeah, it's scary. Coming out. Hold my hand, hold my hand. Yay! Thank you, I'm alive. How was it? How was it? Scary?
Yeah.
Ed. Oh. Oh. How was it? Scary, huh? Scary? You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I gotta teach you right now.
Grabe, ang taas. Roller coaster na namin. Oh.
We was almost to fall down.
Yeah. Tatas na gano'n, no?